Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Confirm your SIM is active and airplane mode is off so changes apply. Once done, check your Vivo model and Android version because menu names vary. Now open settings and go straight to SIM and network or phone settings. You want the calling and carrier options. Make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data are enabled briefly so the phone shows current services. This matters because the Wi-Fi calling symbol is controlled by carrier and phone toggles. Next, you locate the Wi-Fi calling toggle, typically inside call settings or under the specific SIM card settings. Turn Wi-Fi calling off, then check VO LTE or enhanced 4G settings and disable them if they trigger the symbol. If the option isn't visible, navigate to more network settings or carrier services and look for a carrier-managed toggle. Make sure to tap Save or Apply if prompted, because some Vivo skins require confirmation. Once toggled, you'll see the symbol should disappear after a short network To finish, restart your Vivo and, if needed, remove and reinsert the SIM to force a status refresh. This often clears the icon quickly. If the symbol persists, reset network settings to revert all network configs and then reconfigure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Note this won't erase personal files. As a troubleshooting tip, if the symbol still shows, update carrier settings or firmware and contact your carrier. Some operators control the icon server side and must disable it on their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.